In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upper radiator cover on this Nissan Pathfinder. Let's get started. Let's start by removing all the push clips that hold this piece on. If you just use a trim tool, you should be able to pop out the center, and then the entire push clip will come out, go along the whole perimeter, and get all of these removed. Of course, you want to set them aside safely so that you can reinstall all of them when the time comes. Pull this up and off. Now let's get this cover, slide it right over here, make sure everything lines up, and let's get all the push clips reinstalled.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.